Welcome to 1720 Morininghill Drive. This nicely updated 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home with a 1-car carport, fenced backyard with workshop and storage shed, as well as a beautiful interior with laminate hardwood flooring. An updated kitchen and bath is located in the Skyview Terrace neighborhood and the St. Andrews area, Northwest Columbia. It's convenient to I-20 and I-26, Harbison, and just a quick commute to downtown Columbia as well. So we're out front now. You can see, let's adjust some lighting for you here. You have a nice sized front yard with a carport. There's a bit of extra area on the side there. And then you have some nice mature trees out in the front yard, covered front entry as well. The carport door that sort of goes through to the laundry area and also can access the backyard as well. You can see a nice little covered front entry here as well. And the home does have a sort of unique stone exterior. So we'll go in through the front door, nice glass detailing in the front door. And the first thing you'll notice as we step into the sort of small formal living room here are the beautiful laminate hardwood floors. Those are pretty much throughout the entire home. I believe there are some different floors in the bathrooms, or maybe one of them at least. So you have a nice set of windows here at the front, looking out towards the front yard, and some nice high molding in here as well. And then we step through into the sort of main living space, sort of an open floor plan dining and living area. And you have some barn doors that close off the front area for some privacy as you come off the entrance. But you can see you have a nice open kitchen. You have butcher block countertops, updated cabinets in sort of a pale bluish green color. There are stainless steel appliances as well. There's a dishwasher, smooth top electric stove, and that actually looks like black satin on that one, and a side-by-side or French door refrigerator here. And as you can see, very good cabinet and countertop space. I believe those cabinets and drawers are actually soft close as well. So you can see nice sized kitchen just looking back towards the dining area. So right off of the kitchen, you have the laundry area. And again, it's, as we mentioned, sort of off the carport at the front of the home. And then you also have you have full-size washer dryer connections in here, and then access also to the backyard. We'll take a look at it through another exit off the deck. So we'll go through the dining area, and then you can see you have a sort of a den that's sunken off of the dining area, and it faces the backyard, sort of a sunroom or floater room sort of style, but slightly less windows. And then there's a storage area here, just some utility area storage off of that. And then directly off of that room, you do have a nice wood deck off the back of the home. So part of it is covered, which is nice. You have a ceiling fan out here. Neighbor saying hello over to our right. And then you have some of it sort of out in the sun here. So perfect setup for entertaining and grilling out back. And then a nice size fenced backyard. So you have some nice fencing, privacy fencing going all the way around there. And there's a gate on that side that you can access as well. And then at the back you have a storage shed and workshop inside, and then some covered, if you have any outdoor lawn equipment that you want to keep outside but have covered, you have cover space in there as well. All right, then we'll go back inside and take a look at the bedrooms and bathrooms. And one thing we didn't see in this room is that it's sort of an addition, so you do have kind of a cool exposed stone wall on the side of that faces the living room. One of 3 bedrooms here, right off the entrance to the hallway. You have a closet on the right side here, Some of that space or some of the vertical space is taken by possibly some air ducting there, but there is a built-in shelf in there as well. And again, those floors continue on down the hall, with the exception of in here, which has some sort of luxury vinyl plank. And then you have an updated bathroom with nice vanity, matching mirror, some strip lighting, and a shower and tub. Bedroom number 2. This one and the first bedroom that we looked at, both of those face the front of the house. You have nice neutral paint throughout as well. Agreeable gray most likely, or something similar. And then at the back of the home, sort of back right, last but not least, we have the master. And you have a couple of windows in here. One overlooks the deck, and another one on the side. You have a closet with some built-in shelving in there, and mirrored glass doors on the closet, and then the full bathroom off the master. Matching floors to the hall. You do have another small closet there, some extra storage, and then a single vanity. You have a small shower, and then a commode in here. So that completes our tour of this home. Address here again is 1720 Morininghill Drive in Columbia. You can find out more information online at turnerproperties.com.